Okay, our 3-hour update on the Lister rebuild. It's looking a bit shiny because I've just hit it with the wire buff. Just a wire wheel on a 5-inch grinder. I'm actually after someone that may be able to tell me what year this was manufactured by the numbers. So it's got number here, C.S35854, spec 208-12, 650 RPM, 3.5 horsepower. Now it was patented on March 25th, 1930, but I do not think that is the year of the engine. DG9 on the casting, along with 208-42, and we also have these numbers here. If that is of any use to anybody. Okay, well the wire buff's bringing it up pretty good, as you can see. The machine is basically coming back to its original state, no problem at all. I just give a bit of the flywheel a touch. As you can see, that's where we haven't been. That's where we have been. That was just a quick run over. We will give it some more. Now, the really cool thing, you've seen the state in the previous video, but I don't know whether it was that anti-seize I was using or just the way these machines were manufactured back then, where nothing would kill them. I've buffed the studs as well. They have come up very nice. I've buffed the surface of the block with the head seats, and also the piston has come up reasonably well. Is a little bit pitted, but not too bad. No movement, no ridge on the bore. We do have one problem though. Don't know if you can hear this, but the big end is not so happy. It has about 1 to 1.5 mil play in it, or maybe 1 mil. So we're going to have to fix that, rip the conrod out, resize it, and then see if we can find some bearings for it. The water jacket inside is going to need a clean. It is full of scaly rust, as you would imagine. The good thing is we have these 2 large plates on that side and one behind the fuel filter on this side, which will allow us access into the water jacket so we can give it a good clean. Now I just happened to check the oil, and although it looks black, it is actually transparent and you can see the brown colour in it, so as far as that's concerned, it looks like they kept up their oil changes, but I would say the machine was retired due to the big end being not so happy. But as you can see, she turns fine, and we're just going to keep stripping down. Next thing will be the fuel filter will come off, injector pump. I will go right through that. These arms and linkages here are going to be the worst, and the rail in the injector pump is fairly well rusted. But I have been surprised already with these all coming undone quite easily, so you never know. I have managed to free up the decompressor lever, so that wasn't too hard. Bit of penetrating on it, and little taps backwards and forwards until it got better and better. But it is coming up quite nice. I'm really surprised that I managed to get the bolts and everything undone as easy as I did, with the amount of rust that was on top of this machine. Okay, so we'll keep on plugging away, see how we go, and I'll keep you up to date. Cheers from the Tin Man.